slow speaks, the voices rise, but truth wears myth before our eyes.
Not written and versed by ink or throne,
but carved in breath and blood and bone. For when the sword was torn away, the song alone refused to sway. They sing of Tsars with lion's will, who bent the cross and mountain still. Simeon crowned by word and flame, where empire learned the Bulgar name. Asen's thunder law, around that made the world stand raw. And Samuel, last flame of night, who bled until the dawn of light. Oh, songs of Bulgaria, iron and fire, you lift fallen crowns ever higher. When walls collapse and banners burn, you teach the broken how to learn. Through voice and string, through tear and scar, you keep alive the vanished Tsar. No grave can hold what songs defend, for some kings never truly end. Beside the Tsars, the heroes stand, born not of gold but of the land. Pearl Marco's shadow crosses here, and hide-up blades ring sharp and clear. They steal from fear, they strike the chain, they guard the poor through loss and pain. Not saints, not kings, but flesh and flame. Yet songs remember just the same. When empires broke and night grew long, the people knelt but arose in song. Church bells muted, swords laid down, yet verse still wore the broken crown. For even rule